Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to repair the boAt basshead 225. Now basically this headset is rough and tough. The only weak point that it has is the mic part. Now the mic sometimes gives way. Now we'll go ahead and see the video. I'll show you why it happens. So let's go ahead and disassemble it and then fix the mic and then we'll talk about it. Okay, so you've seen the video. Now the reason why the mic keeps getting disconnected or bad is because there are four wires going through that one side. Now two of them are straight, they don't have any joint. The other two are the mic ones. Now whenever you're using it, there are pulls that happen. The wire gets pulled. Now the earphone one doesn't get bad, but the mic one, since it is not supported by anything, it's only connected to the mic, it gets pulled out. So when you're fixing it back, make sure you pull the wire in a little so that when you solder in, it stays there for a longer time. So all in all, it's an excellent earphone. I have no problems with it. It is rough and tough, but sometimes the mic gives you a problem. So in case you have a mic problem, open this up this way and then fix it. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video.